Hey guys, what is up? I'm doing another weekly recap of the trading week, what has happened this week. We did have a holiday on Friday, so Friday was a no trade day for me, but I can still go over the rest of the week, so let's just jump straight into it. Monday, 29th of June, as you can see from the projection, was an amazing day. The range got printed here. We tagged instantly to the downside. I hopped into the trade. As you guys know, if you watch my video on how I actually use this strategy, I just started trailing this trade and it never actually had like a pullback up until the point where it fully reversed. So I just trailed. When I had my position trails to 4R, it stopped me out, and that was it for the trade. The ranges were pretty big this week. Not all of them, but like for example, this one right here, let me pull this to the high. It would have been a 120 point stop loss to put it all the way at the high, so I didn't. As you guys know, 100 points is my max. So yeah, I just put 100 points. And yeah, we had 4R. Very nice day. One of my bigger days in the last couple of months. You don't get these often where it just drops without like retracing. So yeah, amazing day. Now to Tuesday. Tuesday was another one with a big range, I think. Yeah, the stop loss was 113 points. I mean, I don't take. I could have, but I usually like if it goes back like all the way here, then it's probably gonna fill this gap, retest this gap, whatever it's gonna do, right? And I don't want to play with a stop loss like 160 points here. So 100 point stop loss. Trade got tagged in. It ran and it retested, as you can see here. But when this candle right here got bought up again, it gave me a pretty decent feeling that the trade was going to go up higher. Sadly, I did trail here to 1R as I always do, and it instantly got stopped out. So the trade got stopped out here. It retested the range again, and then it rallied. Not that high, I think, but yeah, it still would have been an easy 2R if I wouldn't have trailed here. But my rules are my rules, and I follow my rules. If you are doing this on accounts where you have more room, so let's say maybe like top firm accounts that don't have as tight rules or drawdown, or if you're doing it on a live account. On a live account, I wouldn't trail it as tightly here, and I would probably even add to the position when it retests the zone. But yeah, it's very like trading live account is very different from prop firm accounts. I'm not going to go over that, but there's another strategy towards this. But for now, still a winning day, 1-1, still fine, right? Especially with that Monday being up 4. So, an amazing day. Wednesday, as you can see, we had a pre-market sell-off. This was 5 minutes before market open, and I mean this already was as well before the market open, right? But this candle got printed 5 minutes before the market open. This is the market open candle, and then the market started reversing. Usually this indicates to me either ranging or reversion. Like this does not look like a continuation to me personally. But again, like it doesn't matter what I think because I just take my trade based on rules. However, this day I'm gonna explain to you why sometimes people are profitable with the strategy and why sometimes people aren't profitable with the strategy. As you can see, the range right here, I just put my stop loss at the bottom of the range because the swing low is way too low for me. 170 points, not doing that, so I put it at the box low. And if we look at 1-1R, trade would have lost, as you can see. Now, I'm not a robot. So when I'm in this trade and the day is already like this, right? I can see that I get tagged in, we go up, we get rejected. Next candle gets bought up, gets rejected. Next candle gets bought up, gets rejected. This tells me that there is not a strong move. If we're constantly rejecting, like if you look at these wicks, we're constantly rejecting this level. Even here on the left, you can see we're constantly rejecting this level. So I'm not gonna wait until we reach this perfect 1-1R, guys, because as I said, I'm not a robot, I'm a person trading. I can see this stuff, I can react to it. is the discretion of it. So I started trailing this trade already at 0.85 R. Now, as soon as I moved my stop up to this, I got stopped out. It wasn't even 5 seconds, but I still had a winning trade. Wouldn't I have done this? I would have left it for 1 R. It would have reversed first, take me out. Now, it didn't go below the low, so if you are one of these people that want to put their stop at the swing low, you wouldn't have been stopped out at here, but the trade would have still not worked, because then your profit target would have been way bigger, right? So, I just got stopped out here for 0.85 R. Like, a win is a win. I wouldn't mind it too much. So yeah, we can see that eventually it did go to 1 R. Again, I didn't have my stop loss at the swing low, so I would have been stopped out there. Still a winning day to me. But yeah, a little bit smaller than before. And this is like purely a discretional win. And that was on Wednesday. So now we go on Tuesday, last day of the week. Let's see, where is it? I didn't put my projection here. Let's see, range, and then we got tagged into the long side here. Normally it's 5 points above the high, guys, but I'm just gonna put it here. It doesn't really matter. This swing low is 200 points. Oh yeah, this doesn't look as big, but this range is massive. So 100 points, 104 points. If this is the case, I still put it at 100, just for the sake of it. Doesn't matter if it goes here; it's probably gonna reject anyway. And if you guys can see this, sadly, the market tagged us in here, instantly get stopped out, and then it reversed like massively. If this wouldn't have happened, this candle here, it would have been another amazing day, I think, probably up until this point. Let's see. Short right around here. Top would have gone 100 points right here. Yeah, this would have been a 2R as well. If you don't want to trailer, you just hold this. I mean, like, this is would have, could have, should have, right? But I would have never hit this. But yeah, it did go 8R into the profit. But yeah, sadly, Tuesday first loser, so lost 1R, 180.5, 0.85, 1. So here we're up 0.085. And then this one was 4, so we're up 0.485. So still a good week, still a green week, nothing to complain about. Sad, I kind of did get tilted a little bit. No, I shouldn't say tilted, because I didn't really react to this, right? But it did make me upset seeing a drop like this after getting stopped out by one stupid wick. But that's trading, right? It's part of it. We get used to those things, and you just move on. Because seeing this and then tilting afterwards is the way you're either gonna lose accounts or just blow your capital. So don't do that, guys. And yeah, I'll show you the Friday. But instead, Friday was just a holiday. A holiday day. It opened right here, and nothing happened. Market just rose slowly, but there was no movement in it. The range of the day was like 30 points, 40 points. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a little bit of a shorter one. I don't want to keep all the videos super long because there's nothing super interesting happening. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.